In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft exit code 1. So first thing you're going to do is basically go here and type in run and type in %appdata%, click OK, and then go to .minecraft. Over here, you want to go to mods. So try to remove all the mods you have in here, and then you want to try to launch the game and see if it works. Now, if it works, then it's probably because one of these mods is causing the issue. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to put the mods one by one and run the game every time and check which mod is the one causing the issue, so you can delete it or reinstall it if it's corrupted. So if this, let's say you decided to remove all these and you're still having issues and you still can't run the game, then what I recommend doing is basically you want to go back here and go here and you want to save these two folders. So these are your like worlds, so, and these are your resource packs. So just right click, copy, and then paste. You want to paste it here so you can make a save of them, because what you're gonna do now, you're gonna delete this folder. So you're gonna delete .minecraft, and when you delete it, you're basically deleting all of the data of Minecraft that you have. That's why you saved the worlds. This is the worlds that you create, and these are the resource packs. So when you delete this, you go and click delete and you go back to reopen Minecraft. Minecraft will automatically download everything and all the folders, and it will basically refresh all the data here. So you will have clean data, and what you will have to do is just bring back your saved folders and replace them here. And after you do this, try and see if your issue has been fixed. Now let's say you decided to do all of this and like open Minecraft and you're still having issues, then you're probably gonna need to just download Java. Then you're missing Java, so go to Google and type in Java download. And if you go here, you'll see the website of Java. What you're gonna do is simply download the latest version of Java and run the installer and try to open Minecraft again, and hopefully this fixes your issue.